Hi class, for this lab, all we're gonna do is actually enter a data set into one of the lists. So let me give you the commands. So you're just gonna press first stats, and then to enter data, you don't have to press anything other than enter, but on some of the calculators, if it's an older model, like the one you saw on the previous video, you may not have the edit here. So you may have to actually enter one. So in this case, we can hit enter. And as you can see, a list will show up. The idea is that we're going to be using for, actually for most of the class exercises after chapter 1, at least L1 and L2. So don't modify anything. All I need you to do is enter the following values. So enter 5. Let's put a 3. Let's put a 2.5 on the next cell. Then let's put a 9. Let's put a 50. And a 45. Now, this is all I need you to do. Once you enter the data set, what we typically want to do is exit out and then check to make sure that that data set is actually what we enter. So to exit, you can just hit a second and quit. Now, from the command prompt, if you want to see all the elements of the list, all you have to do is press a second and L1. Hit enter. And then the list is going to appear. So please enter this data set into your calculator, take a picture and upload. This will be the main idea on the lab. So I want to see that you run the actual list on the command prompt, and then it looks exactly as I'm actually showing you.